Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert current system, date and time in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert current system, date and time. Go to the insert menu. Then click footer, then choose a footer. Then again go back the design menu, then click date and time, then choose current system, date and time, then click OK. Then go to the design menu and click close header and footer. Now we can see here we insert current system, date and time in footer very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.